Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With just a few simple habits, you can extend your vehicle's life, save money on repairs, and enjoy a smoother ride every day. Here are 8 easy car maintenance tips every driver should know and follow. 1. Check and change your oil regularly. Engine oil keeps your car's engine lubricated, cool, and protected from internal wear. Without clean oil, friction builds up and causes overheating or severe engine damage. You should check your oil at least once a month using the dipstick. If it looks dark or gritty, it's time for a change. Most vehicles require an oil change every 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers, but it's always best to follow your manufacturer's recommendation. Use only the right grade of oil to ensure maximum protection and efficiency. Don't forget to replace the oil filter each time. It traps metal particles and sludge that could harm the engine. Fresh oil improves fuel efficiency, enhances performance, and extends your engine's life. Neglecting oil changes leads to reduced power and expensive repairs. Regular maintenance gives your car a fresh start every time, keeping it smooth, quiet, and efficient. It's one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to ensure your vehicle remains reliable for many years of driving. 2. Keep your tires properly inflated. Your car's tires are its only contact with the road, so maintaining proper tire pressure is critical for safety, performance, and fuel efficiency. Under-inflated tires wear unevenly, increase fuel consumption, and reduce control during braking or cornering. Overinflated tires can cause harsh rides, poor traction, and premature wear. You should check your tire pressure every 2 weeks with a quality gauge and compare it with the manufacturer's recommended PSI, which is usually found on the driver's door frame. Rotate your tires every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers for even tread wear and longer life. Also, visually inspect for cracks, bulges, or punctures that could lead to dangerous blowouts. Properly inflated tires ensure better grip, improved handling, and shorter braking distances. Regular alignment checks prevent uneven wear and suspension damage. A few minutes of attention can save you from accidents and costly replacements. Healthy tires not only make your rides smoother, but also keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. 3. Replace air filters on time. A clean air filter allows your car's engine to breathe freely, ensuring smooth performance and optimal fuel economy. Over time, dust and debris clog the filter, reducing airflow and forcing the engine to work harder. This results in reduced power, poor mileage, and increased emissions. You should inspect your air filter every 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers, or more frequently if you drive in dusty or polluted areas. Replacing a dirty air filter is an easy and inexpensive way to boost your car's performance immediately. It helps your engine accelerate more smoothly and reduces unnecessary strain on internal parts. Don't forget to check your cabin air filter too. It keeps the air inside your car fresh and reduces allergens. A clean filter improves comfort for passengers and prevents the HVAC system from clogging. Ignoring filter changes can lead to misfires and long-term engine issues. Clean air filters are among the simplest maintenance tasks that deliver noticeable improvements in performance, comfort, and engine longevity. 4. Check coolant and prevent overheating. Coolant, also called antifreeze, keeps your engine temperature stable, preventing overheating in summer and freezing in winter. Always check the coolant level when the engine is cool, and ensure it stays between the MN and max marks on the reservoir. Low coolant levels or old fluid can cause overheating, corrosion, and serious engine or gasket damage. Replace coolant every 2 years or as directed in your vehicle's manual, using the correct mixture for your car. Never use plain water. It lacks corrosion protection and can freeze easily. Regularly inspect for leaks around the radiator, hoses, and caps. A strong, leak-free cooling system helps your engine maintain performance under heavy loads or long drives. Overheating is one of the most common yet preventable causes of breakdowns. Keeping your cooling system clean and properly filled ensures smooth, safe operation in all seasons. This simple habit protects your car from costly damage and guarantees consistent performance on every journey. 5. Inspect brakes regularly. Brakes are your car's most crucial safety system, and maintaining them is non-negotiable. If you hear squealing, grinding, or feel vibrations when braking, it's a sign your brake pads are worn. A spongy or soft pedal can mean air or moisture in the brake lines. Check your brake fluid every month. It should be clear or light amber. If it's dark, flush and replace it immediately. Inspect the entire brake system every 10,000 kilometers, or at least twice a year. Worn-out brake parts not only reduce stopping power, but also put you and others at risk. Uneven braking or pulling to one side often signals caliper or rotor issues that need quick attention. Replacing pads and fluids on time prevents major repair costs later. Strong, responsive brakes give you confidence on the road and shorter stopping distances. Keeping your braking system in top condition ensures safety, reliability, and peace of mind every time you drive. 6. Keep your battery in good condition. Your car's battery powers the ignition, lights, and electronics. Without it, your car won't start. Check the battery terminals regularly for corrosion, which appears as a white or blue residue, and clean it using a mix of baking soda and water. Tighten any loose connections and ensure the battery is firmly secured. Most car batteries last between 3 to 5 years, but extreme heat or cold can reduce their lifespan. Use a multimeter to check voltage. It should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off. Replace weak batteries before they fail, especially before winter. Driving your car regularly keeps the charge healthy. Long periods of inactivity can drain it. Signs of a dying battery include dim headlights, clicking sounds, or slow engine cranking. Maintaining a clean and charged battery ensures smooth starts, reliable power, and trouble-free performance. Regular checks save you from unexpected breakdowns and costly towing, giving peace of mind on every trip. 7. Replace wiper blades and check washer fluid. Good visibility is vital for safe driving, and your wipers play a huge role in that. Over time, wiper blades wear out, leaving streaks or skipping across the windshield. Replace them every 6 to 12 months, depending on your local weather conditions. Use the correct blade size for your vehicle to ensure full coverage. Refill your washer fluid regularly with windshield cleaner rather than water cleaners. Remove dirt, bugs, and grime more effectively. Avoid running wipers on a dry windshield, as it can scratch the glass. Also, inspect the wiper arms for proper tension and smooth operation. Clean both sides of your windshield and your headlights frequently to maintain visibility. Even a small improvement in clarity can reduce reaction time and prevent accidents. Keeping your wipers and washer system in top shape is a simple, inexpensive step that significantly boosts driving safety in rain, snow, or dust. 8. Check and maintain your lights. Your car's lighting system ensures visibility and communication with other drivers. Check your headlights, brake lights, reverse lights, and turn signals at least once a month. Turn them all on and walk around your car to verify they're working properly. Replace any burned-out bulbs immediately and avoid using mismatched or low-quality bulbs. Clean foggy or yellowed lenses using a restoration kit for maximum brightness. Dirty or dim lights reduce your visibility and can even lead to fines. Keep your light covers clean and clear of moisture buildup. Replacing bulbs in pairs maintains balanced illumination and improves nighttime visibility. Proper lighting is essential not only for your safety, but also for those sharing the road with you. Clear, bright lights ensure you can see and be seen in all conditions, reducing the risk of accidents while keeping your vehicle looking well-maintained and professional. Consistent car maintenance isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's about safety, reliability, and long-term savings. By following these 10 simple tips, you'll keep your car running like new for years. Remember, a well-maintained car not only performs better, but also protects you and your loved ones on every journey.